Hello, this is Shule. I'm at the summit of the magnificent Pyrenees Mountains bordering France and Spain. I want to share some super weird looking face Kriyas that will lift your frequency so you feel light. This short sequence is best done after a yoga practice or meditation or when you're already feeling very grounded. Rooted to the earth, now extend to the sky. Invert your peace sign fingers and place them on the eyelid and under the eye. Don't move your eyeballs, but start wiggling your fingers sideways, massaging the eyes. Breathing deep and strong. Let the tongue tip reach over your front teeth onto the gums. The mouth is closed. Now stick your tongue out, curling the tongue tip to the sky, breathing in and out of your open mouth over the tongue, deep and strong. Relax and allow the effect. If you want a more intense practice, do each Kriya for 1 minute while jogging in place. Next Kriya. Put your hands on your cheeks and start rubbing up and down. Your jaw is loose. Sounds may escape your mouth. Eyes to the midbrain. Pull the pelvic floor in and up. Release and allow the effect. 3 fingers, index, middle, and ring finger, are placed at the Nirvana chakra. It's located at the center of the hairline. Your thumb and pinky fingers press into the inside corners of the eyes. Your tongue goes over the front gums. Mouth closed. Breathe deeper than you are. Wiggle the hands. The other hand rubs the back of your head or the base of the skull. Your closed eyes are focusing in the middle of your brain. Tongue tip now to the roof of the mouth and make an Om sound with the mouth closed. It sounds like this. Keep making and focusing on the sound as it vibrates through the head. The palm of the hand presses the nose tip down. And release. Feel the effect. If you're feeling ungrounded, lay on the ground on your belly with your forehead touching the earth. This is Siule saying, see you later.